Hi, my name is Kim, and I work for PSEG Long Island. And today, I'm here to show you just how easy it is to do business with PSEG Long Island when it comes to installing a new electric service, shutting off existing service, and everything else in between. When working with our customers on any project, there are 3 things to always keep in mind, not just for us, but for you, the customer, as well. Safety. Safety for our customers and employees is always our #1 priority. If a job site is not safe, we will need to delay any work until necessary actions are taken to ensure everyone's safety. Providing exceptional customer service. We want to make sure the job is done right and leave our customers 100% satisfied. Timeline for the project. It's important to set expectations with our customers as to how long each project will take so you can better plan before and after your business with us. Most projects can be completed within 3 weeks, but more complex projects can take a little longer. So please, contact us early in the planning stages. PSEG Long Island is happy to assist you when it comes to installing a new pool at your home. After all, we want to ensure your pool installation is done at a safe distance from our electric lines and in accordance with the National Electric Safety Code. Here are a couple of other helpful tips. Please visit our website at psegliny.com and click on the link for Building and Renovation Services. Click on Pool Clearance and submit your request to have the pool clearances safely measured to our power lines by a PSEG Long Island representative. Prior to our visit, make sure the proposed pool location is clearly staked out in your yard. Our customer planning representative will visit your home and measure the clearances to the overhead electric lines to ensure a safe installation that is in accordance with all safety codes. Never try to measure the distance to the electric utility lines yourself. PSEG Long Island uses trained professionals to make sure that this task is done safely. If the location of your pool does not meet clearances and you're not able to move the pool location, you may need us to relocate the electric lines. If this is the case, please note that the customer is responsible for all costs associated with relocation of electric lines. Once you submit your application and forms, a member from our team will review your request and provide a response as soon as possible. You will receive a reference number for your project. Keep this number handy, as you will need it if making any inquiries about your service request. Most importantly, we are here to help you every step of the way. If you have any questions, you can contact the Building and Renovation Services via email at brsli@pseg.com. or call us at 1-844-341-6378, Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your project.